Good evening, everyone. A controversial health organization investigated by the 9 on Your Side I-Team will indeed get funding in Cincinnati's new budget.
You'll recall the mayor vetoed funding for it. The Center for Closing the Health Gap has been under the microscope, starting with our I-Team investigation into how the group spends taxpayer money. 9 on Your Side's Tom McKee is live with how all of this happened and unfolded today. Tom?
Well, the mayor's veto came just a week ago, and as you said, that included funding for the Center for Closing the Health Gap. But today, Jeff Pastor became the sixth vote, the swing vote to override that veto, joining Tamaya Dennard, Gred Landsman, Seelbach, PG Sittenfeld, and Wendell Young. The center now gets $692,000, and the majority of councils who were in the majority said they were very pleased with their decision. There were 21 people who spoke during Wednesday's public comment session before Cincinnati City Council met. 13 of them were in favor of funding for the Center for Closing the Health Gap.
We can't afford to build and have endless pockets for stadiums. And then when we're talking about the health of the city, the overall community, something is very wrong when we're playing games with the lives of our citizens.
As a black male and 68 years of age, I've had benefited very much from their services they provided over the past years. The Black Men Health Initiatives has been responsible for reaching thousands of black males since 2013.
The center's leader, former Mayor Dwight Tillery, looked on as council debated using money from reserves to help his group. Mayor John Cranley was against the funding. Some say it's because of politics. But he says the center could apply for money from social service agencies. The I-Team has raised questions about the financial practices of the center. And while council members are aware of those reports, the majority seem to be comfortable with its decision.
We have the assurances that all of their books are open, that the city is not going to pay a bill that's not appropriate, and that I've gone and seen the work that they've done.
And I said that they were funded over the summer. We have a fiduciary responsibility to fund them again. And if we're going to do that to the health gap, we have to do that for every organization that we give money out to.
Now, today's vote also means that a police recruit class is going to start 3 months earlier than expected. ShotSpotter is going to be expanded to the west side, and there's also going to be Liberty Street giving a big makeover over the next several years. Tom McKee, 9 on Your Side, live at Cincinnati City Hall downtown.